How to play a video in a Zoom meeting. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can play a video during a Zoom meeting. So let's start. What you have to do is you will simply open up Zoom, and if you are in a meeting, you're attending a meeting or hosting a meeting, you will simply open up this window. Right now I am hosting this meeting. I want to share a video. So what I should do is I will simply go to share screen option right here, and when you click on share screen, you can see right here, this is my screen in the background. So I will simply select this one and I will click on share. Once I do that, then you will see that your screen is sharing. And now this is the screen that has been sharing, and whatever I will do is it will show. Now I can open up anything on my screen, right? Like this is my editor right here. I can open it up and I can play a video. I can simply go to YouTube now. I can go to any other platform and start playing a video. But what you have to do is simply open up that application because your screen is sharing. No matter what you're doing, you can see right here, your screen is sharing. So what I can do is I can play a video or anything I want to during my Zoom meeting, and it will be shared with all of my attendees and team members or a class that I am teaching. So yeah guys, this is how you can also go ahead and play a video during a Zoom meeting. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.